Hey everyone! Think animals are all cute? Think again. 1 second you're standing, the next, bam! These head-butting champions take hands-free combat to a whole new level. The sheep is going head-to-head with the guy's bucket. No clue if it's playing around or proving a point, but it's definitely a battle to remember. This guy in red and blue just got a VIP ticket to the Sheep Slam, and the rest of the flock is watching the show. Will he outrun his determined four-legged rival, or is this a race? The sheep said, "No standing around on my turf."
Oh, are you okay?
Man versus ram, the ultimate showdown. That jump deserves a perfect 10. Backpacking adventure just turned into a boss fight. Nature doesn't play around. Watch out for those headbutts. That sheep isn't playing around. Stay safe and keep your distance. That goat means business. Good thing he's got some backup. Hope that shield holds up.
Keep your head down. Come on, keep on doing it. Come on. You can do it hard. Oh! God!
This guy thought a helmet would give him a fighting chance against the goat. But turns out, the goat's been training for this its whole life. Tough lesson learned. This goat looks pretty friendly. Or maybe it's just plotting its next move.
It's trying to headbutt me, bro.
This guy is having fun playing with a sheep. Or maybe the sheep is playing with him. The sheep pulled a sneak attack, but this guy made sure to teach it a lesson. This aggressive goat is taking on everyone. Who will be the one to teach it a lesson?
Shit!
Ski trip turned survival mode. Boars got the right of way. Nature's unexpected plot twist. Sheep said, "Back off. This is my turf." Looks like this guy just signed up for a free flying lesson from Professor Goat. Battle of the century. Kid with a rice pot versus stubborn black goat. That goat woke up and chose chaos. One flying kick and she's out. The kid wanted to test his helmet's toughness. This bull wasn't just looking for fuel, it was bringing the chaos. Two bikers got an unexpected welcome at the gas station, and the pump didn't survive the rampage. This goat just handed the guy a first-class ticket to the ground. This old man is out here playing games with a black bull, living life on the edge. Hope he's got an escape plan.
Stop! Break! Красный, спасибо!
This girl is out here trying to hold her ground against a sheep. Who's gonna win?
Come on. Stop headbutting me. Come on. There we go. Okay, no. Back it up.
This mischievous goat has made it its mission to mess with the cop at every turn. Looks like the officer has met his match.
Stop. That hurts.
This is one mischievous goat. Always up to something. Who knows what kind of trouble it's stirring up this time? This kid is teasing a sheep, but little does he know, this woolly warrior isn't backing down. Things are about to get interesting. Looks like this goat really doesn't like the pig. It just keeps going after it nonstop. Another guy puts on a helmet to face off against the goat. Who's gonna win this time? These guys are getting ambushed by one feisty goat. Who's next on its hit list? The goat is going after the boy, probably thinking he took its baby. This guy is at it again, deliberately messing with the goat. Not sure if he's brave or just asking for trouble. I'm pretty sure I didn't sign up to be this goat's personal headbutting practice post. Ultimate showdown. Man versus goat in a battle of wills. Who's gonna blink first? This long-haired guy seems to be in an endless battle with a determined deer. Neither side is backing down easily. Will he outsmart the deer, or will the deer claim victory in this unexpected showdown? This sheep isn't a fan of bicycles. It's going full charge mode and chasing the poor cyclist off the road. This sheep keeps ramming the car. Looks like the owner's about to get hit with a repair bill, too.